Hello brother. Okay, this one is to check stepper motor okay or not okay, because stepper motor you can see we have 6 pin inside. We need to test the pin pin 1 and 2, after that 2 and 3. Okay, here 1 and 2 one reading, 2 and 3 they have another reading. So at the bottom 4 and 5 one reading, 5 and 6 another reading, so total have 4 reading. So we need to check the is this stepper motor, the coil inside, is it okay or not okay. To check the stepper motor, you need to have a multimeter. So multimeter you can set to ohm, 2000 or 200, because 200 we have the detection sound, so a bit annoying, so I set to 2000. Yours one maybe don't have the detecting sound here, but near mine I will set to 2000. Both, either one also can, 2000 or 200. It will show you the value of the reading, no worry. So I put it at 2000 ohm. Okay, 2000 2000 ohm side. Okay, 2000. Okay, let's try stepper motor pin. Black lead or red lead, either one also can be first or second, no worry, because we just need to detect the value of the stepper motor coil, the reading. So I put red as a pin number 1. Okay, I click at pin number 1, then I touch pin number 2. Okay, what's the reading? Approximate about 33, right? Okay, good. So we go to second reading, pin number 2 and number 3, we clip it on, so we can check what's the reading. It stopped at 34, so reading number 1 and number 2 pin is 33, so number 2 pin and number 3 pin is 34. So this one almost same lah, so it consider is okay. So after we already check the inner pin 1 and 2, 2 and 3, right? So now we check the outer pin. Outer pin is 3. We see the value also, the total value of the coil. Okay, pin 1 and 3, we click it on. So the total value should be, okay, it stopped at 66, 65. Okay, this is the value lah. Drop to 64, is considered okay also. 64, 65 lah, average lah. Okay, this is on because the inside have 2 coil. This is one reading for one coil, and upper side is one coil, lower side is another coil. So we need to check. First coil should be okay, no worry. Pin 1, pin 1, pin 2 reading 33, pin 2, pin 3 reading 34. So average is the same lah, so consider okay. So now it's pin 4 and pin 5, so we need to check what's the reading. Pin 4 and 5 is 34, consider okay lah. 33, 34, consider okay lah, average. Then pin 4 and pin 5, the middle one, pin 5, pin 5 and pin 6. Oh no, I'm pin 5 and pin 6 have problem, just only 7, the reading just only 7 ohm. So this stepper motor consider not, it will not working well on your car, because it will unstable lah, very unstable. It cannot control the idling anymore, you see. So it dropped. Okay, never mind, we can check the outer pin, we can see what's the difference. The outer pin only 34, so it drops a lot, so meaning that one of the coil already burned out. so spoil lah. If you install this stepper motor into your car, the idling may not smooth and stable, or you may have a rough idling lah during on AC lah, or when you on your aircon, so the idling will not smooth, it will be very rough. The timing may be dropped a lot. Okay, it cannot stable lah, the idling. This is the spot. Actually this one stepper motor is from my customer car, it's already spoiled one, so I just take it out, test it to let you know the result lah. So I have another stepper motor. This one I bought from the spare part shop, haven't used before, it's totally a new one. So you can check, we can check and let you see what is the outcome of the coil reading. So we check the first coil, pin 1 and 2. Okay, pin 1 and 2. Okay, pin 1 and 2. So the third pin we haven't touched yet. We only touch pin 1 and 2. 1 and 2 reading is 34. So we check pin 2. Okay, this is pin 2 and 3. Oh, sorry, they touching together. Pin 2 and 3. Okay, pin 2 and 3 pin 2 and 3 also 34. Okay, inner pin 34 to 34. Okay, very stable. So now we check the first coil, outer pin. Outer pin is pin 1 and 3. So we can see the value. 1 and 3 outer pin reading is 64. Consider in good condition. So we test pin 4 and 5. Because our first row is one coil, second row is another coil. Okay, so we test the second row, pin 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5 we have we got the reading of 33, 34. Okay, still in the range lah. So okay, 33, 34. So it's meaning that this stepper motor is in good condition compared to this one, because this one the pin for 5 and 6 only 7, drop a lot, so meaning that the coil itself is not working properly. Okay, so we check the outer for the second coil is 5 and 6, pin 5 and pin 4 and pin 6. Okay, the reading also 64, same as the first coil, also outer pin 64. It's meaning that overall 4 reading average same value 33, 34. So this one is the good stepper motor. But sometimes depends on the quality also lah, because inside have the rotor, spring and the small magnet. So coil itself reading is okay, but the mechanical part, if we bought those not original or Japan spec, those copy OEM spec might be lah, sometimes depend on your luck, because the mechanical part, if you give you a lot of issue also. So you can try to do the testing lah. Okay, I test another type of stepper motor. This one is for 4G18, either is Lancer CDR, Lancer CS3, CS5 or CS6, and Proton Wajah as well. Even you can plug this into the AirTrack and AirTrack Turbo, Evo 7, 8 and 9 also. But actually I'm selling those Evo 9 version for all similar car with this stepper motor, so easy for me to control lah. Just selling the Evo 9 version only. This is those for G9 series Evo 123 version, a bit large, the size of the stepper motor compared to this one. Even the socket also different, you see the socket connector, this one is a bit large compared to this one small. Okay, so we same testing as well. Pin number 1, pin number 1 and number 2. We check for the reading. Average about 86, so consider in the range lah, 86 and 85. Okay, 4 and 5 pin reading, 44, 43, still in the range lah. So how about 5 and 6? 5, pin 5 and pin 6, 44, 43, so average lah, in the range as well. So the outer, this and this. Okay, 85, 86, meaning that this stepper motor is still in good shape. Okay, so how about another piece? So we try and see this unit. (44) pin 1, 2, now 2, 3, (45), 44, same reading. How about the outer? Outer is 1, 3, pin 1 and 3. So we check the outer lah, pin 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 84. Okay, good shape for the coil number 1. So how about 4 and 5? What's the reading? 44, 43. Okay, in the range lah. Good. How about 5 and 6 reading? Same as well, 44, 45. Okay, so good shape. How about outer? 4 and 6, pin 4 and 6, 84, 85. Okay, same as the coin, the first coin and second coin. Average is the same value lah. So this stepper motor is in good shape as well. Okay, so only this piece lah, this piece have problem because the pin 5 and 6, the reading is very low. Okay, let me test 5 and 6 again. Okay, you see the reading, it dropped to 8 or 7 or 9. So it usually have a 30 plus one, but now you see pin number 4 and number 5. So you can see the difference. See, 4 and 5 is about 34, but 5 and 6 is only 8, 9 or 7. So it dropped a lot. So meaning that this stepper motor, they have already have one coil which have issue. So this one you cannot replace the coil because this part is more molded inside. The coil is molded inside this plastic casing, so you can't open it up. No chance for you to replace the coil. Those are with plastic molding. You can't change the coil itself because all the thing is molded inside, covered with the plastic already. Okay, so this is the issue lah, which will affect your car idling when you on aircon. If you drive the car without the aircon, maybe the idling is still smooth, running well. Once you on the aircon, the RPM will drop a lot. It's causing by the stepper motor itself, or like the yesterday video I show you about the ECU IC. So you need to make sure your ECU IC is in the good shape as well. Okay, by then that's all. Thank you very much.